Hey everyone, we got a 2004 Caterpillar, and you can see here we got the ECM out of it. This connector here goes to the injectors, and when we got the truck it was a no start. Well, this ECM has a built-in driver circuit for the injectors, so there's not a separate module to drive those, and the buzz test indicated that the injectors were shorted, every single one of them. Well, that just doesn't happen in nature, and it's pretty easy to validate that. Here's the harness. The loom runs up, goes in right here, and there's another harness inside that mates up and supplies power to each of the injectors. You can validate by just pulling the valve covers off and testing each injector separately and just tracing out the loom. Run all your continuity tests, make sure you got no short to ground, short to power, and you can pretty much confirm after that finding that you've got a bad ECM. So that happens to be the case with this truck, and I've already pulled the programming off from this unit and we're getting ready to throw in the replacement. As soon as it gets here, get this truck back on the road. Just an update on our 2004 Peterbilt with the Caterpillar. ECM's been replaced, been programmed up, truck's running, so another one in the books.